Hi, good afternoon.
Hello!
December 10. It's a Thursday. Si Marge nagpe-prepare for her community service in Paludpod, Talavera, Nueva Ecija. And this is our best, Sam.
Hi! Merry Christmas!
Guest speaker natin. May opening prayer. And we have spaghetti and bread and juice. And books and toys. Ay ka. Punta tayo sa toys and books na ipamimigay.
Madaming video ka mo kaya.
Ito yung pamimigay mamaya sa mga little kids. Thank you sa mga friendship ni Marge from Canada. From Philippines also. Thanks from Paludpod, Philippines.